First we have to open the Tableau. We have opened the Tableau from the start menu. Please wait, Tableau is started. That is shown. First we have to, you can import data from many resources. Just I will give you a small introduction. Here there will be different types of data. You can import data from different resources like Activen Matrix, Activen Map Vector, Alibaba, Amazon Redseat, Airplan, Apache Drills, डेटाबेस एजूर से कर सकते हैं, डेटाब्रिक्स से कर सकते हैं, ड्रॉपबॉक्स, उसके बाद गूगल क्वेरी, गूगल क्लाउड, गूगल एड्स, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पेवेट, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एसक्यूएल सर्वर, माई एसक्यूएल, वन ड्राइव, मैनी मोर databases, SAP, Rihana, and any other resources of ODBC and JDBC that are actually used in the Excel connectivity right now. Excel connectivity, Excel to Access connectivity, and Excel to SQL Server connectivity. Different types of data has to be used. So first we have to use this import data from the Excel. Just click the Excel sheet, and first you have to superstore data. That open the sheets. All the data has to be imported from the just there are two types of connections are available here. First is the live connections, just where you can work on the data on internet or live platforms. Or if you want to the off mode abstract will be include all the data. If you not, if I don't want to work on online mode, just you have to use the data on abstract mode, and go to the sheet first, and go to the sheet first, where you can analyze many more data. And there is area you can create different types of representations perform in the company or any other corporate sectors. Okay, first we have to use this product category. How to use the product category? Filter, specific filter of product category. First you have to drag and drop the process, and first I want to use this only the furniture. I want to only the selected content of furniture. So just apply. Furnitures are included, but sales, we have used the sales in this category. Product category wise data available right now. Some of sales, it is sales is available right now, where I can remove all these sales. Yeah, filters, furnitures, sales. ठीक है. Just I want to include one another more areas like product subcategory of furniture. This one right now. This one. Just I want to create a chart on that data. First click. There will be a distinct. अलग अलग type color will be the distinct. There will be not a similar color right now. If you want to be the similar color, just click on that way. They want to rotate all the systems. Rotate all the systems, where if you want to represent, if you want to the present all the data and the sets, where you can use Press F7. All thanks